I use AI extensively. And if you're going to scale your real estate business, both in productivity, creativity, better quality, better service for clients, AI can do all of this across the board, but you need to start organizing and using projects. It'll save you absolute mountains of time. So how do you start a project, and how do you basically run the project so that it does all that for you? So first off, in ChatGPT, you would just go to projects and just click new project. And what we get would be this, and we create a title. So this would be home listing write-ups, which is probably one of the first projects that you would create, because this will save you a lot of headache in terms of writing your home listings. All right. So what you do is you can add files. So what I suggest that you do here, this is exactly how I run my projects. I upload documents that would contain samples of the perfect example of whatever I want to produce in this project. So in your case, go and get 3 to 5 home listings that you've written up that are really good, that you really like, and those will serve as your examples, okay? And then you would add those files there, and it's good. And now we're going to have a new chat, and you can do as many chats here as you want. The beautiful thing about this project is it's going to pull from here. So we could just say, relying on the template here, relying on the template in this project, write detailed home listing for the following. Now I've got a whole set of information for a property, just kind of made it up just to get a sense of how this would work. So you could upload your PDF right into this chat if you take notes for a new home listing in PDF document, like a printout or something. You'd scan it, upload it. It'll read it. It'll read it really well. Don't worry about that. Or if you do it on a tablet, in a form, or however it is, a spreadsheet, it doesn't matter. Whatever you can get all the details of a new property that you're listing, just get it up into ChatGPT, have your templates, and let's let it go, and it will write a home listing for us. Now, the first couple, you may want to tweak your instructions, your template, and the overall prompt for this. Now, in this case, if you're happy with it, you can see it basically created the whole thing. We could do a bullet point. If you're happy with this, then you're good to go. If you don't care for it, you could actually upload another document that would be, I need to get out of here. Oh, there we go. Okay. Removed our listing. There it is. Okay. You could upload another document with overarching instructions, and you could prompt and say, follow the instructions in the document provided. So if you have specific instructions that you want to provide in here, then you would add that in a document as well. But I don't think that's really necessary. I think this did a really nice job here. And now we'd be up and running, and you take this and copy, and you're good to go. Now, you're probably already thinking, as you can see, just from this one video, when you use instructions, it's going to save an absolute bundle of time, and the quality is going to be much, much better. With my projects, I'm continually improving them with the templates I add, or my overarching instructions and my prompting, and that makes them better and better and better. And that's what you want to do, and your systems are just going to get better and better and better. So the projects, you'll have them organized here. They'll all be under your projects here. You can see I've got a whole bunch of different projects myself. And once they are set up, you are good to go. Thanks for watching.